already, make sure to drop a like on this video, smash the subscribe button. And today, I've got something brand new in store for you guys, and I'm so excited. I was surprised that they were coming out with more of these. I got LOL Surprise color change surprises. And let's just say I might have got the whole family. So I got the big sister, I got a pet, and a little sister. I might have gotten a little overboard, but I got really excited, so I just grabbed all of them. But, yeah, let's do this. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. All right, we're gonna start off with the pet. Ooh.
What do you think it is, a dog or a cat?
So you get 6 prizes. I want a dog.
You want a dog?
Yes, because it's gonna remind me of Rocky. If you guys don't know, I have a dog. His name's Rocky. He literally tries to interrupt every single one of my videos. Man, I guess they're going all out with these color changes. I got some ice water. I hope it works. Whoa! It says #1 curtain. I don't know. What is that? What it's supposed to be? It is supposed to be best in show. I thought it was supposed to be like #1 curtain. But yeah, that's pretty cool how that color changes. Alrighty, let's open it up.
I'm excited. I think it's a dog.
I think it's a dog too. I wonder if it's just dogs and cats or like
We'll see on the checklist.
other animals too. We're just gonna rip it. We're just gonna rip it.
And what if it's a snail?
I don't think they have snails. I mean, I would be happy with a snail. It would be cute. I hope so. Ooh, it's clear. We've never gotten clear balls before. And there he goes, like I was saying, interrupting everything.
Hi, Rocky.
He's like, what's up, you guys?
I don't know why, but every time she films, he has to like...
Butt in.
Right.
And it's crazy.
Well, you want to unbox something too? Huh?
All
Aw.
right, back to the toy. He's just gonna sit there. The ball's like clear. That's cool. And then you get that. All right. All right. This is the pet. This is the pet. I hope it's a doggy, just like you, stinker. All right. Let's see. Wait, you can get dolls? No, you can't get dolls in this one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
you
it
got
has the
lots.
whole checklist. So these are the ones I can get in this one right now. And these are the big dolls, and then these are the little
All right,
babies.
let's focus on the pets. So
I have that one.
you can get a chicken.
Yeah, this is a bird.
Oh, bird. Sorry. What is that? Foxy?
What this?
Oh, it's a bird. So apparently you can only get cat,
Wait, you can
dog,
get this
and
one?
bird.
You can get those. Oh, I want a bunny.
Or a bunny.
guys see
Oh,
that
that's
bunny?
so cute.
That bunny is fancy. It's like a one step up from popular.
All right, let's
I
see
really
which one we have, and then we'll reveal the name.
Ooh, we got this bottle.
Looks like a little milk jug.
Yes, it does. Okay. Ah, there we go. Ooh.
Oh, nice. No peeking in the checklist.
Not me
Those are
trying to
fancy.
peek. Yep. Oh, whoa. There's, okay, that was 2. Oh, boy. We
Got
got
some shoes.
4 shoes. I wonder if these would fit him. Maybe. Those are probably too big. Ooh. Oh, what is this? What
I don't know. Let's get the doll.
for the dog or the thing or the bunny?
It's a cat.
Wait, it's actually so cute.
Oh, it is.
Which one did we get? Oh, I have some good news for you. Oh, it's a puppy. It's a puppy. Look at that heart, and you go down here. It's ultra rare.
Oh my goodness. Okay, now let's show them the water surprise.
Oh my
Is there a
gosh.
color change surprise?
I don't think
All
it
right.
shows.
I would put her in there.
Oh
Oh, that's so
my gosh.
cute. And the hair too. Oh my
And the
gosh.
eyes, you see?
That is so
Look,
cool.
it's like a little swimsuit, it looks like. And here, let me redo the hair for you guys a bit. See that? And then her eyes and these little bows. Like, don't.
Alrighty, let's do the next one, and then we're gonna, at the end, we're gonna get them all dressed, and then we'll show you all of
Yup.
them.
Let's scoot that one to the side.
Well, hey,
Now-
you started off good with the ultra rare. So.
Yeah. Alrighty, let's do this one.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna do the big one. Perfect hair. You know, whenever you get a perfect hair, that usually means you're lucky. You're gonna get something. Alright. Little paper. Ooh, here we go. Bring the water. Ooh. We got like a snow and a cat. What is it supposed to be?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Cool cat.
Okay.
I'm
we'll
pretty
see.
sure. Cool cat. Okay. Does that mean it's gonna be like something related to cats? Maybe. I thought that was a cat that we got that we just got in the pets, but it's not. It's a puppy, and its name is Puppy Next Door. Whoa! Ooh, surprise! Oh, let's see. Color change price. Ooh, baby bottle. This looks like a mason jar cup.
Yeah. I wonder which one it will be. We'll show them.
All right. Next is just gonna make sure there's nothing else. Ooh, I'm getting perfect hairs. Alrighty, we got this prize. This prize as well. Just gonna crack it open.
Oh my gosh, she got a lot.
And then this can be like a little desk. That's what I like to use it for. Okay. This is the doll, so I don't think we're gonna need that. Okay, we don't need that. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's cute. It's a little sticker.
Well, I guess each of them you can match up as a family. So this would be like your little sister, your pet, and your big doll. So I wonder if our big doll will match the pet and the little sister. If we can
That
collect
would be
them.
fun. But
All
yeah,
right, here we go again. So it's gonna be either one of these dolls up here.
I want
So if we
her.
were gonna match our pet, it would have to be her,
Her.
baby next door. But which one do you think you got?
I want Surfer Babe or Foxy.
Well, the clue had something to do with ice on there, so I wonder.
Cool cat. I don't know.
All right, well, let's open it up so we can see.
Oh boy, I'm nervous. Oh my goodness.
Okay, we'll see.
Oh my goodness.
It's not gonna match our pet, I can tell you right now.
Oh, it's fine. Boots. Do you know who this is leading to? I think I might know. Oh, why is her boot messed up? Her boot's like deformed. Look, do you see that? That's not good. That's another size. That's another size. I gotta try to check like. Ooh, these little shorts. And like little jean shorts. So cute. Alrighty. Open. We're just gonna open. Ooh, we got this top. Super adorable.
That is.
So
I wonder who that is. Well, we'll find out.
Ooh, Andy's glass. Okay. I have something to say. Look at these glasses. Find the problem.
What?
They're bent. It's like they're bent.
Well, so they can stay on. Otherwise, they won't stay on.
Oh.
All right, get to the dolls.
Alrighty. Who do we get?
I'm sure they want to see what it is.
Oh my goodness.
It doesn't match her
This is the
pet,
one I wanted.
but that's okay.
This is the one I wanted. I'm so happy.
So we got
Foxy.
Yay! Maybe we'll get her little sister.
And she's a popular.
Oh, she is?
Right there.
Okay,
Yep.
perfect. Now let's see what she does when we put her in the water.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, she gets a swimming suit.
Ooh, what does it have on it? Like a peace sign?
Yeah, well that's cute.
Ooh, that's adorable. To be honest, I really wanted her. I wonder if she does anything. Ooh, she can spit. I'm gonna spit on you.
Alrighty, let's get our little sister.
Yep, and then at the
Well,
end.
hello, this was a clue. We didn't,
Oh,
before we got to her, when we looked at that, we should have known which doll
we
it was.
should have
but
known that was the doll.
It's alright.
It's okay. I got water on my pants now. All right, little sister, please.
Please
Be her
match.
little sister.
Yeah, little fox.
Yes.
Or maybe it'll be the pet's little sister. I don't know.
Or maybe it's none of their little sisters. Oh, I don't think we're gonna get lucky. It's not a perfect pair.
I don't know if luck has anything to do with that, but
It does. I think it does. Because remember, we got that ultra rare and we got a perfect pair.
oh, let's see.
Ooh, go number 1. Go. Best boo. It says right there. I got the
Okay.
hint. Best boo. All right.
So maybe that's the name?
Maybe it's something scary,
I don't know. We'll see.
like Halloween thing. Okay, let's open it. Whoa, okay. Here we go. Wait, ready? 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Party. These things we don't need because we already have a checklist. Let's look. We're hoping for little Foxy. Or
Do you want little Foxy, Rocky?
he's like maybe. What are you? Oh my goodness. Oh. Here, you want to go? No. All right, he's gonna hang here, or he's gonna go little baby next door. So I want her or little Foxy, or little Precious. She's
All right.
very
Well,
cute.
let's.
Oh, little Genie's also good.
I'm excited. I think it's gonna match the pet. What do you think?
I don't know. I think it might match her. And what goes in this first? A hat.
Don't look.
I can't see from on there.
Don't look just yet.
A hat. That's weird. Okay. This is, I think, baby. I think this is baby. Okay. Next. Glasses. Okay.
I have no idea who that could be.
And then this little key ring that you can put on the wall. All right. Okay, you guys.
You don't look, I look. Okay, well, I can tell you, it doesn't match the pet or the sister.
Okay.
Or the big doll.
Can I open it?
Yeah, you can look. Oh, she's so cute. Alrighty, so we got,
Little go-go girl.
and she's
She's right here. She's a popular.
she's a popular. Okay. Alrighty, let's see what she does in the water.
Let's see. 1, 2,
2,
3. Plop the. Oh, dunk.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Wow.
Wait. Oh my gosh. Did you see that?
Yeah, she gets a little flower on her cheek. That is so cute.
Her diaper goes checkered. Her headband goes black from blue. And her diaper goes checkered. And then
That's very cute. Now let's get all of them dressed and we'll show you guys what they look like.
Yep. Bye. Alrighty, I've got all the rest. I got Foxy. I have got Little Go-Go Girl and Puppy next door. I got all of them all dressed up. We just ended up putting her in the hat. And her shoes would not stay on. You see her feet?
So that sucks.
I think they're a little too big. They would not stay on. They kept falling off no matter what we tried. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Let me know down in comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!